Boom. Good morning. Good morning, sweethearts. Boom, 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 boom. So, here we go again. Just this booming aliveness. Just this unknown perfection already. No matter what. Brutally, naked, vulnerable, hopeless. Speechless, mindless, just this. This year goes beyond any understanding. This frequency will never be comprehended by the so-called mind. Words will never nail what this is. This isn't anything you can grab and put in your pocket or use it. No, 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 no. This is just the unknown yes to no matter what is happening. And not even. Is actually something happening? Or is that always, no matter what goes on, just this absolute stillness, just a silence? I don't know. This year simply booms out freely, words pouring out of the mouth. Just the joy to share and to connect. And to enjoy, no matter what. There is a lot of pain, suffering, conditionings, ideas, beliefs playing out in all of us, and not even playing out automatically without asking me or you if we agree with what is happening or not. Not knowing what is going to be said, done about the reaction. It's just boom, completely unknown. Yeah, that's the game. That's the brutality of the directness what is. In this stunning directness, shit happens. Oh yeah, it does. It's unavoidable. Of course it is. The story has always two sides. This is life. Full on. And that's the fucking freedom. What is this? Tell me, if you can. I obviously cannot tell you but just booming out with this frequency, a full-on aliveness, totally naked, totally joyful. At the same time, absolutely vulnerable and stable as fuck. Unfuckable already. Yeah. And this absolute fall, not even a free fall, but a fall. There is absolutely no control. No, 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 no. That's why I always say enjoy if you can. Well, it can be very obvious that that's it already. Whatever this means. Just this, walking. Smiling. Breathing. Wow. Yeah. So, sweethearts, if you like, just comment on this. How would you describe the already undescribable? And of course, yet every word is it already. Calling this banana, or a cookie, or love, or unconditionally what is, or booming aliveness, or unknown perfection, or nature, or a wooden bridge, or a bike, or a kiss. That's it. Done already. What a beauty. I love you. Enjoy if you can.